This is a test of frequency instruments, bass, drums, distortion.
In terms of naming stalls across Europe at the moment. But in any event,
surely it should have been an E, shouldn't it? After Keir and Dennis, we should have gone for I don't know, Ethelbert or something like that.
That's correct. It would have been Storwellen had the UK or Ireland named it.
Got in ahead of us.
Jumped in ahead of us. So it's Jorge.
Right.
But in any event, it's going to be another very wild weekend of weather. Let's deal probably with the rain first of all, which is probably of more concern. It's now pouring with rain across much of the UK actually, an active weather front pushing in from the west, and I'm afraid to the high ground of Wales specifically, it's going to rain for the next 24 hours. And that is really bad news for the like of settling down. There are hints, and I just say hints, that come the middle of March, we'll see a change in the weather pattern. We might start to see the elusive high pressure coming our way, but we've seen these hints before and they haven't actually transpired, so I don't want to get people too excited. In the short term, more trouble on the horizon.
Lastly, before I let you go, John, it seems so we were on Dennis and the Spanish are already on Jorge, so my sons, we're on the fourth letter of the alphabet, they're on the 10th. Do they sort of categorise still on Storms far awkward, or do they just pluck names out of a hat? How does it work?
Do you know what? You're going to have to get somebody on.
Okay, don't worry.
Yeah. I don't know. They're all unto themselves. We, as you say, go alphabetically. So if we name storms, as you say, A, B, C, D, E, and so on. There needs to be some sort of European agreement on this, but I won't raise the spectre of European agreement.
Probably best not, because we're having enough trouble with European agreement and other matters. John, thank you for your time. John Hammond, Chief Forecaster.
For every 10 million people.
I sense we're on the same page, but whether we put it in the Isle of Grain, or we expand Heathrow, or we build up Northolt, or whatever, we're still not getting over the environmental issues, which is what's halted Heathrow Runway 3.
Well, I think what we have done is we've actually looked at hybrid cars. I think aero technology is going to improve over the next 10, 15 years. I think we are able to control motor cars. I'm sure we can apply the same logic to aeroplanes, make them more efficient, make them hybrids, whatever it may be. I'm sure we're capable of that engineering. But I think where we actually could, and we need a new international airport, not coupling together what we've got already, and actually affecting a lot of people's lives in that region.
Lastly, what is your concern if some kind of expansion, or I hear what you say, you'd rather start again, if that doesn't happen, what's your concern?
My concern is that we're actually going to go down this route for another 2, 3, 4 years, and it's going to be more coupling together, and what we need to do is have a clean sheet of paper, create a brand new airport for the next 20, 30, 50 years.
Jeff, thank you. A lot of you want to talk about airports. I sense we're going to do this again in the next hour. By the way, I'm waving at my team now just to let them know, because if this is what people want to talk about, we must reflect that, so we will probably return to this. Let's come back to Ulster. Thank you very much, Jeff, to reflect the coronavirus. Well, we told you about the financial impact, didn't we? That's my first question, Doctor. How well or otherwise is this disease under control in your view? Good morning.
Good morning to you. I'm sorry I'm on a noisy train, but I hope your listeners can listen.
What, as an expert in the field, Doctor, what would you look for over the coming days that would make you think, yes, we're starting to turn the tide, or, oh dear Lord, it's getting worse?
Oh yes, this is a good question, because you will be aware Public Health England earlier this week, Monday, announced that they were going to set up sentinel surveillance sites. What that means is at random in scattered parts of the United Kingdom, we take samples from ordinary people, just ordinary people, and that will be a pretty good